Hai ma'am, sir, ni hao xian sen, tai tai, wote ming chese Murniasari. You can call me Murni, 38 years old widow. I have 4 children. I am willing to take care children and elderly, do general housework and cooking. I can cook Indonesian food, spinach soup, omelette, chicken soup, parakedel, orek tempe. I want to work in overseas because I need money for my family and children city. Now I'm in the living room. This is carpet, table, calendar, slipper, flower, and this is umbrella. Finish, see you, bye, 再见。